So Apple just had one of their big events, and if you watched it, you probably noticed something weird. While every other tech company is yelling AI like it's the only word they know, Apple acted like AI doesn't even exist. Instead, they bragged about making their devices thinner, which, don't get me wrong, is cool, but it kind of feels like bragging about fitting into your high school jeans while everyone else is building rocket ships. So, is Apple behind, or do they actually know something the others don't? Today we're breaking down Apple's strategy shift, why they're downplaying AI, and what it means for the future. Right now, the tech industry is basically one giant AI pep rally. Microsoft has Copilot, Google has Gemini, Meta is forcing AI chatbots into Instagram DMs like that one friend who won't stop sending you crypto memes. Every keynote, every blog post, it's the same thing. We're the AI company now. And investors are eating it up. Consumers are curious. Meanwhile, Apple, they're like the one kid at the party who brought sparkling water instead of tequila. Safe, but maybe smarter in the long run. So, what did Apple focus on? Thinness. Lots of thinness. Laptops, watches, iPads, basically everything except the price tag, which somehow refuses to slim down. And then there's health. Apple wants your wrist to know more about your heart than your doctor does, which is great because if you're stressed about the price of the new iPhone, at least your watch will tell you exactly how high your blood pressure is. But jokes aside, this isn't random. Apple is positioning itself as a lifestyle company, your health coach, your design flex, and your everyday companion all in one. So why isn't Apple screaming AI like the others? 3 reasons. First reason is timing. Apple never rushes. They weren't first with smartphones, tablets, or even wireless earbuds. But when they show up, suddenly everyone else feels like the beta version. Second reason is user experience. Apple hates marketing tech for tech's sake. They'll call it magic before they ever say machine learning. So instead of saying AI, they'll just show you a photo that edits itself and say, boom, you're welcome. And the third reason is privacy. AI right now is messy. Bias, hallucinations, data leaks. Apple wants to be the company that says, don't worry, your personal stuff stays locked down. Basically, Apple's playing the role of the strict parent while everyone else is the cool uncle handing out candy. Behind the scenes though, they're building AI into their chips and software. They're just waiting for the right mic drop moment. But here's the real play. Control. Apple doesn't want to give you AI for free. They want to bundle it with hardware. Picture this. Apple rolls out Apple Intelligence, but it only works on the newest iPhones. Suddenly, your perfectly fine phone from last year feels like a dinosaur. And what do? You upgrade. This is Apple's favorite magic trick. Turn software into hardware sales. It's the same move they pulled with Face ID, Retina displays, and, let's be honest, charging cables. So why the emphasis on thinness and health this year? Because those are safe bets. Everyone wants a thinner laptop. Everyone wants to live longer. And Apple gets to look like the responsible adult in the room, while the other tech giants are out here playing with AI like kids running with scissors. Plus, it keeps them different. If Google, Microsoft, and Meta are all screaming about the same thing, Apple whispering about design and health almost feels rebellious. Like, yeah, we'll get to AI, but first, check out how skinny this MacBook is. So here's the takeaway. Apple isn't ignoring AI. They're just treating it like a secret weapon, waiting until it's polished, safe, and most importantly, profitable. In the meantime, they'll keep making hardware thinner, sleeker, and healthier. Because let's face it, when Apple finally launches their AI, they'll act like they invented the whole thing, and somehow we'll all believe them.